Good morning, students. Hope that by the grace of Almighty, all of you are fine.
My dear students, today another most important math from chapter number 6, that is financial statement analysis, is the following is the summarized balance sheet of United Air Limited as at 31st December 2019. Shareholders equity and liabilities. At first, share capital 2 lakh taka, retained earnings 80,000 taka, long term liabilities 2,50,000 taka, trade creditors 1,50,000 taka, due expenses or outstanding expenses 30,000 taka, income tax payable 10,000 taka. On the other hand, fixed assets 2,58,000 taka, closing inventories 2,40,000 taka, debtors or accounts receivable 1,80,000 taka, marketable securities or investment 16,000 taka, prepaid expenses or advance expenses 20,000 taka, and cash in hand or cash fund or cash balance 6,000 taka. Okay, dear students, now you are asked to determine number A, total current assets and current liabilities. Requirement B, current ratio and acid test ratio. Requirement C, working capital ratio and debt equity ratio. Okay, dear student, now let's go to solve the math. At first, requirement A1, that is current assets, is equal to closing inventories plus debtors plus securities plus prepaid expenses plus cash, that is 2,40,000 taka plus 1,80,000 taka plus 16,000 taka plus 20,000 taka plus 6,000 taka, that is total 4,62,000 taka. Okay, dear students, now requirement A2, that is current liabilities, is equal to trade creditors plus due expenses plus income tax payable, that is 1,50,000 taka plus 30,000 taka plus 10,000 taka, that is 1,90,000 taka. Okay, dear students, now requirement B1, that is current ratio. Formula is current assets divided current liabilities is equal to 4,62,000 taka divided 1,90,000 taka is equal to 2.43 is to 1. Okay, dear students, now requirement B2, that is acid test ratio. Formula is quick assets divided current liabilities. Here quick or liquid assets is equal to current assets minus closing inventories minus prepaid expenses, that is 4,62,000 taka minus 2,40,000 taka minus 20,000 taka, that is 2,02,000 taka. Okay, dear students, now quick assets 2,02,000 taka divided current liabilities 1,90,000 taka, that is 1.06 is to 1. Okay, dear students, now requirement C1, that is working capital ratio. Formula is working capital divided current liabilities or current assets minus current liabilities divided current liabilities, that is 4,62,000 taka minus 1,90,000 taka divided 1,90,000 taka is equal to 1.43 is to 1. Okay, dear students, now requirement C2, that is debt equity ratio, is equal to external liabilities divided owner's equity fund. Here external liabilities is equal to current liabilities plus long term liabilities, that is 1,90,000 টাকা plus 2,50,000 টাকা, that is 4,40,000 টাকা, and owner's equity fund or shareholders equity fund is equal to share capital plus retained earnings is equal to 2 lakh টাকা plus 80,000 টাকা, that is 2,80,000 টাকা. Now 4,40,000 টাকা divided 2,80,000 টাকা is equal to 1.57:1. Okay, dear student, this is the solution of requirement C2. Thank you so much.